Hi everyone, I'm Patti Behan and thank you for joining me in the studio today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use texture paste through a stencil. So let's get started. Alright, so when using texture paste through a stencil, these are the tools you'll need. You'll need some kind of surface to work on. You'll need your stencil, and I'm using black heavyweight cardstock by Tim Holtz Distress. You need some kind of low-tack tape to hold down your stencil and to keep your edges clean. And you'll need a palette knife and then a scraper. And any texture paste you use, this is going to be the same technique. Today we happen to be using the metallic white texture paste. And this texture paste dries with a nice shimmery gloss finish. And so the first thing you want to do is take the paste out of the jar with the back of the knife. And you want to get a nice generous amount, and you want to spread it in a line across the top. And don't worry about using too much, because we can put the rest of it back into the jar of whatever we don't use. So once you have your nice thick line of paste across the top, then you take your scraper tool and then you just scrape it down. And you kind of hold it at an angle that's down towards the paper more to release the paste. And then when you want to thin it out, you hold the scraper straight up and you just go over it like so. And I'm still missing a couple spots, so I'm pressing down and then I'm going to go across. And I'll do the same thing on this side until I get all the areas covered. I have one little spot that just doesn't want to go, so I'm just going to put the paste right on it, and then I'm going to go ahead and scrape it. Okay, and then anything you have left over, you can just scrape it off and put it back into the jar. And that's it. So right away you want to clean your paste tools, and then we're going to remove the tape and the stencil from the card. Like so. Then we remove the stencil, and you want to clean your stencil right away, and then you just set it aside to dry. Let me just bring this up a little closer so that you can see. And then let me put this to the side and show you what I did to finish up that card. I added a focal point, and I did a little doodling and put a sentiment. So that's using metallic white paste. Now I have some other cards. I'm going to show you the different types of paste that we used. This we did some transparent gloss and some metallic white, and you can see the transparent gloss on the craft cardstock. It gives it a cool embossed look. And this one is transparent gloss through a stencil. We inked up the stencil first and then put the texture paste over top. And this you see the green here is transparent matte texture paste. It's a little hard to see it on the texture on the camera, but it dries to a matte finish. It kind of looks like it's just ink, but since it's transparent, you have that texture, another layer of texture. And on this card, the little snowballs are opaque crackle paste. And here's another one. We used a stencil with the crackle paste. And that just gives it more texture. So we hope you give this a try. And if you'd like to see more videos about using texture paste, continue watching this playlist. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more crafty videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.